Welcome back to another vlog. This is probably going to be my favorite vlog yet because we're finally going to be unboxing the wheels that I bought for the A90 Supra. It's been a long time coming. We waited. I actually ordered these wheels before I bought the Supra, but today, just got off of work. We're gonna unbox the wheels. I'm gonna finally show you guys what they are. And tomorrow, my tires are gonna be arriving, so I'm gonna go ahead and go mount them on. And then maybe we'll even do a test fitting with the wheels mounted, tires mounted to the wheels. I don't have suspension yet. They're actually on order and they're shipping from overseas. So once I get that, I'm pretty sure, then we'll go ahead and install the wheels permanently. But for now, because we are on stock suspension, look at that gap. I'm not gonna be able to leave the wheels on just because I don't want to run aftermarket wheels with a large wheel gap like that. All right, so before we actually unbox these wheels, I just wanted to say, I can't believe I was actually able to get these wheels at some point in my life. Ever since I've been a car enthusiast since I was young, these have been dream wheels before. And I know I got some dream wheels. I got some crazy wheels. When I had the M4, I had the BBS LMs, but this wheel is special to any JDM enthusiast. I mean, I think at one point, everybody wanted these wheels, and some may actually think it's played out, but these are OG wheels. You can never beat them, but let's go ahead and unbox them. Time to show you guys the wheel. Let me just make sure. So the wheel that we went with for the A90 Supra are TE37s. Oh my God. These are the rear ones. We're running 18 by 11. 18 by 11. Can you guys imagine how wide my tires are? And we went really wide for this setup. Even wider than the M4. If any of you guys remember what tire size I went with that one. But I'm super excited to get these on. Wait till you guys see how wide. I mean, if you thought these rear wheels were wide at 11 inches, these wheels are even crazier. Thank you first off, System Motorsports, Thompson. He really helped me get these wheels and got me in pretty early. These wheels have special offsets. These are actually special specs from a batch order with System Motorsports. I think they are the only ones that are actually selling these wheel setups. But we went with 18 by 10 in the front and plus 25, holy crap. And these wheels are phase 5 and phase 4 concave. So these are the most concave you can go. And the reason why I went with 18s, I'm actually gonna be downsizing, which means that there's gonna be a bigger wheel gap on stock suspension. But the 18s had this, the Sagas only came in the 18s. I know there's the Ultras and the SLs and the 19 inches, but I don't like how they're not super concave like these. These Sagas, these are freaking nuts. All right, check it out, guys. So these are the rears. Look how concave these are. Holy, that's the rear and that's the front. Holy crap. Could you guys imagine that color on the Supra? Oh, all blacked out. It's gonna look insane. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. Holy crap. These are freaking insane. Freaking insane, guys. I can't believe I actually finally got TE37s. TE37 the world! I just want to say how thankful I am to be able to have a platform like this to share what I love. And I'm finally at the point in my life where I can buy and enjoy these big adult toys. I just want to express to you guys how excited I am, just because I know as you guys as car enthusiasts, you guys go through the same feelings that I'm having right now. And when you guys finally get that dream wheel, or people don't understand how much love we have for cars or how much money we spend on our cars. But I thoroughly enjoy this, and this is my stress reliever right after work or right after having an argument with my wife. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. I'm actually gonna be pretty late. Well, I might be late to my tire appointment,
I went out last night for the first time with a couple friends. I'm a little hungover right now, but we got the wheels over here. Gotta cover them up just in case any neighbors saw them. I gotta pack these up, take them to the tire shop, and we're gonna get these mounted real quick. So let's go ahead and start putting these bad boys in the car. Doing that all by yourself kind of sucks and is tiring. I also wanted to let you guys know that you can also go on Amazon, buy black wheel weights, because a lot of these places use a standard gray one, but I wanted black ones to go ahead and I'm so late. I bought black ones so that they can kind of blend in more with the inside the wheel, so it's not as noticeable. But I'm gonna go ahead and drive to Discount Tire and we'll get this mounted. Fuck, I'm out of breath. I'm tired.
2 hours later.
Tires are here. We're gonna go ahead and load them up in the car. Dude, the tire setup is so crazy. It's so meaty and beefy. Oh shit, this barely fit in the car. Here are the fronts.
Can't wait to tell you guys what the specs of the wheels are for, or the tire specs. These things are insane. I don't know if you guys can hear me from there, but the rears are the most insane. Look how wide these boys are. What the fuck? Holy shit. You guys see this? Look how wide that is. Holy crap. We got some thick boys.
There it is. Could you guys just imagine? This is actually the rears, but let's just put it up to the side. Let's see what. Holy shit. You guys see that? That color is gonna look so crazy together. Oh. Alright. But I'm still hungover. Still super early in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. Maybe take a nap. And then maybe we're gonna mount these tires on, or mount these wheels on just to test fit it. I don't think I'm gonna be running these wheels on the Supra yet until my suspension actually comes in because of the wheel gap, but I wonder actually how big of a difference it'll be. Sheesh. Those. So what we actually went with is we're running 18 by 11 in the rear, which is the bottom, and then 18 by 10 in the front. We're running 275 35 18s in the front, 275s, holy crap. And in the rears, we're running 315 30 18. 315s in the rear. This is ridiculous. Holy crap. Because I'm sharing the Supra with my wife and I want her to be able to enjoy it. We do live in Seattle where it does rain a lot, so I did want to invest into the best tires that have the best wet traction as well. Ideally, I would have liked to go Michelin PS4S's front and rear. However, in the 18s, they don't have 315s or 305s in the PS4S's, so we actually went with the Pilot, the PS2s. I think they're like the Pilot Sport Cup 2s or something like that. But they were not cheap tires. However, I did want to assure that I got the best tires out there that have the best wet traction as well as performance. And this is what I ended up with, guys. Holy moly. That is freaking insane.